Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sadhvi and I hope you guys are doing great. So as the festive season is here, I thought of creating this makeup look and hairstyle. So the best part is that I'll be using all the drugstore products to create this look, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, so getting started, first I'm going to do my hairstyle, and this is a very simple and very quick hairstyle, and you can definitely try this hairstyle with any of your Indian outfit. So I've slightly curled my hair and I've already done a tutorial on it, so I'm going to leave the link in the I button and you can check it out. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of hair from here and now I'm going to twist it. Then I'm going to add some more hair and I'll keep on twisting it like this. You can see it's giving me that lift over here. Just doing it like this. Now that I've twisted it, I'm just going to secure it with the pin. The same way I'm gonna go for this side, just twisting it and adding some more hair. The same way, just securing it with the bobby pin. Just adding a little bit of structure to the face. Okay, so this side looks not that clean, so I'm just going to set it properly in the end. So now we're almost done with the hair, just some final touches at the end. So now moving on to makeup, I'm going to do a very soft daytime makeup look, and as the festive season is here, so you can definitely wear this look. And the best part is that I'll be using all drugstore products. So without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Okay, so there's nothing on at my face. I've just washed my face, so I'm going to start by prepping my skin. So first I'm going to use this Pond's Light Moisturizer. So I've been loving this moisturizer and you can see that I've already used this much. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and I'm going to apply it evenly all over my face. Oops. So now it's well absorbed into my skin, and moving on to primer. So I'm going to use this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Again, I'm just taking a small amount of it, just going to apply it. So first I'm going in with the eyes because I feel there is going to be some fallout and later it gets really difficult to clean it up. I'm just going to start with my brow first, and I'm using my all-time favorite Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. Now I really feel that I need to invest in more eyebrow kits. So I'm just shaping my brows first and then filling in the sparse areas. Just going in with the light color over here for a more natural look. So if you guys have been watching me, then you guys know that I do not prime my lids when I'm going with some brown tones, but today I'm going to prime my lids as I want my eye makeup to pop and I want my eyes to look more bright. So first I'm going in with the concealer. I'm just going to apply it on my lid. Now I'm going to use my sponge to blend it out. The same way I'm going for this side. First I'm just like shaping it here. Okay, so now I'm going to set this concealer, and if I do not set this concealer, then when I'll be using the eyeshadows, they'll kind of get stuck here and it's gonna look too harsh and it'll get really difficult to blend. So when you're using a concealer, make sure you set it. Alright, now that my lids are all prepped, moving on to the eye makeup. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution palette, and this is in the shade Hypnotic. So first I'm going to start with this really nice soft brown color, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. So I'm using this kind of a fluffy brush for my transition shade. So if you're a beginner and if you're looking for a eye makeup brushes guide, so I've already done that and I'm going to mention the link in the description box so you can check it out if you want. So going in with this brown shade and with the lightest pressure, I'm going to apply it here. So the Makeup Revolution palettes are too good. The color payoff and everything great, and Nykaa is even running an offer on these palettes. So if you want, you can definitely get your hands on these palettes. Like, I bought two palettes from Makeup Revolution for 900 on something, and they're really nice palettes. Make sure you're just blending in this color really well. Okay, so now I'm going in with a slightly darker shade for my crease, and I'm going in with this chocolate brown color just to add a little more depth to it. So I'm going to like start from here. I'm just going to like point it, and then I'll be going in my crease. So basically I'm covering my outer V and my crease as well. Now I am just applying the color and not blending it, because I'll be using another brush to blend out this color. Okay, so now I've applied the color, and now I'm going in with this really nice fluffy brush to just blend in these two colors. So you can see that I'm going in circular motions to blend both the brown shades. The same way I'm going for this side, using a pencil brush to apply the color. Just going in with my fluffy brush again. And for all those who keep on asking me that where did I buy these brushes from, so these blue brushes are from Shein. I bought them long time back, and these brushes are from Vega Beauty. But now that Shein is banned in India, you can definitely try the Miniso brushes. They are super amazing. So now that I've blended both the browns, but I still want this to get a little more intense, so I'm going with a very slight amount of black color, and I'm using the same pencil brush to apply this color. So if you want, you can definitely go in with a more small or precise brush, like something like this. So I'm just going to apply this color on my outer V, that's it. Now just again using the brush and blending this black color. So I want this makeup look to be soft, but at the same time I want this makeup to pop. Like, I really want my eye makeup to be more prominent than the rest of my face. So that's why I'm going in with this darker color right here. So now I'm blending this black color, and I'm even blending it along my crease. So by adding this black color, we've given a lot more shape and structure to the eyes. You can see where I'm holding the brush. I'm holding it in the back of the handle because I want to like loosen the grip a little bit. Okay, so now moving on to the shimmer part, and I'm going to use this really nice, you can say a brownish gold shimmer on the center of my lid. So I'm using this densely packed brush to apply the shade. So I'm going to apply this shade only at the center of my lid. Okay, so now for the inner corner and this area, I'm going in for a lighter shade, because when you apply a lighter shade in this area, your eyes look more open and more bright. So I'm going in with this really light shade here. So I'm using a more precise brush here. So I'm using a small brush here because we want the application on a more concentrated area, like on a more precise area. So now for my lower lash line, I'm going in with this black color, and then I'm going to smoke it out with brown. Okay, so I'm applying this black color only on the half of my lash line, and I'm going to leave this part. Using my all-time favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara, and if you're looking for a everyday mascara, then you can definitely opt for this one. Alright, now moving on to foundation, I'm going to use these Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. They are super lightweight and they give a flawless base. So to match my skin tone, I go in with F9.5 and F8.5. I mix these two foundations to match my skin tone perfectly. Okay, so first I'm going in with the lighter shade, and this is F8.5. And when you see the packaging, it's so amazing, and the applicator is so big and it's so nice. So I'm going to take a little bit of this on my hand, and now I am going in with F9.5. I'm going to take the tiniest amount of this. So I'm just going to evenly blend this out. Alright, so now we are not almost, now we are fully done blending it out. I've taken a lot of time off camera to blend it out. Now I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand. Now I'm going in with the tiniest amount of concealer because I really don't feel the need to apply a lot of concealer. So I'm just going to apply it like this just to give a natural lift to my face. Just blending it out. So when you're blending your concealer, make sure you're not just covering your dark circles. You need to just extend it so that you're creating a whole new highlight area. Don't miss out on the inner corner of the eyes because that's when it's going to look dark and it's going to ruin your entire makeup look. Right now I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and again this is in the shade 20 light medium. My face is not getting oily these days, so I'm not going with the rest of my face. Okay, so generally I don't even clean contour, but today I feel like, so I'm going in with this NYX Wonder Stick, and this has a contour on one side and a highlighter on other side. Cream contour needs a lot of blending. I generally don't contour my forehead a lot because I already have a very small forehead. Alright, so now we're done contouring, done a lot of blending off camera, and I'm moving on to the blush, and I'm using this Nykaa blush. So this is an amazing blush. I totally love this blush. It gives such a natural flush of color to the cheeks. So I generally go in with the combination of these two colors. So I'm just taking it till here because then it's gonna give me a very lifted look. Now moving on to lipstick, first I'm using this Maybelline lip liner, and I'm going to mention the what do you call it, I'm going to mention the product link in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Okay, so now moving on to the lipstick, I'll be using two lipsticks today. So the first one is from My Glam. I received this in a PR, and this is in the shade Stargazer 02. And the next one is my favorite nude lipstick, and this is from Nykaa. So I'm going in with a very little amount of the My Glam lipstick. And now I'm just going to spread this using my fingers. Now just to tone this or settle this color down, I'm going in with a nude lipstick. Now we're done with the makeup. Moving on to the setting spray, I'm using this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Lastly, I'm just going in with some highlighter. Okay, so this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like this video don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.